Furniture and Woodcraft Plans. What is FurnitureCraft Plans all about? The package contains over 9,000 premium woodworking furniture and craft plans that you can easily follow at home. These projects cover a variety of different projects you can work on at home, mostly focusing on furniture and small crafts. It contains all the necessary info, which includes drawing out clear diagrams, accurate dimensions, and gave detailed explanations on the plan's design. We think this is extremely important because we have seen plenty of free woodworking plans or pay on other sites that are created recklessly. Some have inaccurate dimensions, some did not explain what exactly tools are needed during the woodworking process, while some only provide the diagrams without proper step-by-step instructions on how to do it. You know what I mean if you paid for those lousy woodworking plans in the past. Well, fortunately, these flaws and mistakes are hardly be seen in FurnitureCraft Plans. The good stuff. All materials and tools needed for a start are properly listed. Diagrams are clear and with accurate dimensions. Photos are also included. Nothing was left to the imagination. Detailed explanation of plans will guide you from the scratch to the end. All is ready to be printed with proper categorization. Bad stuff. Only thing I could complain about is that there are too many plans after downloading, and sometimes you can feel overwhelmed. But as you can imagine, it is difficult to go through over 9,000 plans. My suggestion is to focus on the projects you want to work with first, as it is categorized. All you need to do is to search and slash or go to the category you want. For example, I started with a simple birdhouse, so I went to the outdoor small craft section to look for related plans. In conclusion, I highly recommend this package if you enjoy working with wood. It offers fantastic value for money. The woodworking plans are not complicated. They are straightforward and extremely easy to follow. Even a complete newbie is able to master the woodworking skills and techniques within minutes by following the clear and concise instructions. One thing I really enjoy are free updates. From what we've seen, they are consistently updating their members area with new woodworking plans, all for free without additional charges. To read full review, click link in the description.